Alright, y'all, this is what my yard is looking like right now. We have until 4 p.m. before the wind dies down. You can hear in the background where a tree that fell is having to be removed. But there are limbs all over the backyard. And in the front yard, there's actually one inside the back of the truck. But amazingly enough, with all this wind, what Gary has been working on in the house, his board is still laying here on sawhorses, completely intact with the plastic still over it. But yet, the ground is covered in limbs, and there's Floki eating the limb. Floki, I don't think you should do that, hon. Floki. Hey, what are you doing? He's a billy goat. He thinks he is anyhow. There's Gypsy. They had fun this morning when I first got up. We went out in the front because the wind was too high back here for them to come out. The house was blocking the wind in the front. Yeah, we got to reside the side of the house, but that's not from this windstorm. That's just construction going on to prepare it for sale. It's just limbs, branches everywhere. And that's one of the trees we're concerned about falling because it has a big bad spot on it. That tree's pretty good. It lost one limb. I'm not sure where it is. I'm not sure it's safe to walk over there to find out. You see in our mess, that's our plant pots. All the dog food bags are debris from clearing out that garage. But yep, it's still early morning and we still got until 4 o'clock this afternoon to deal with this. So don't know if any trees will be coming down. Just know that my yard is now covered with limbs that will go in the burn pit when this is over. You hear a chainsaw in the background and sirens. Obviously trees are falling. Hate to sound selfish, I just hope none of mine do. I'm gonna have to change out their water bucket now. Or Gypsy's swimming pool. There's Gypsy again. There's Floki again. I'm not upset about it. It's just interesting and such a mess to clean up. Like I said, when I first got up, around 7:30, me and the dogs went out front and they had fun playing. It obviously wasn't wise to let them out here because the ground wasn't this covered in branches when I first got up. So They got to go play in the front yard. It's a lot of branches to clean up, and there's probably going to be more.